Discover high-end new construction by Boylan Homes in Sky Meadows Estates in South Salem. Situated in this highly sought-after neighborhood, it's conveniently located, close to great schools, restaurants, shopping, downtown, and local parks. This custom-built home offers inviting spaces for entertaining, inside and out. Enjoy designer touches throughout and quality craftsmanship, a floor-to-ceiling gas fireplace, built-ins, and gorgeous flooring. The chef's kitchen is beautifully designed with quartz countertops, modern fixtures, an island with eating bar, gas range, and a large walk-in pantry. Double glass doors open to the main level office or bedroom. Upstairs, spend your night in comfort in the spacious primary suite, well appointed with 2 walk-in closets. The luxurious bath features a separate soaking tub and beautifully designed shower. Just down the hall, a large bonus room is ready for your hobbies or entertaining friends and family. You'll also find 3 more upstairs bedrooms and another full bath in this home of more than 2,800 square feet. Plus a conveniently located laundry room. The covered stamped concrete patio is ready for year-round gatherings in this private fenced yard. You'll also find gated RV parking with hookups and a stylish paver driveway with a large 3-car garage. Several more custom-built homes in the coming months. Just ask for details. Fantastic craftsmanship in a great South Salem neighborhood. It's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.